Show me your number one color. Oh, this is nice, huh? Very nice color. But a little dark, right? Is this the number one color in Colombia? No.
The number one color is
Show me your number one color. How much is? How much per carat? This is the number one? The color.
yes.
Color number one.
Color number one.
Wow, this is the number one color. Okay, twist is not here. Wow, amazing.
This is the color number one.
So how much normally you are expecting? This is almost 1.5 to 2 carats, right? This is 1 carat. We are looking for like 500 to 600 quality. This is mine oil.
Sperma.
You don't have that quality, right?
Yes, there is one.
Oh, this is really nice.
Very nice, no?
This is 5 carat?
Yeah. No, you have good eyes.
Oh my god, it's 4.95. How much per carat like? 15,000 a carat or that is mine oil. Okay, but anyway, so I'm out for this deal. Thank you. We'll meet up.
Nice to meet you.
See you, sir. What is that?
Diego Castro.
Diego Crostro. See you, bye-bye.